Erase Girls and Boys International Corporation is a non-profit dedicated to safeguarding youth, restoring the community from the inside out, and raising the quality of life for minority children and families through holistic programs. Erase strives to serve the whole child and works to empower every child to excel through in-school and community-based services. The organization has transformed the lives of more than 10,000 families and youth. We offer mentoring, tutoring, virtual art and STEM classes, parent workshops, teen college prep courses, a coaching program for Black girls, and more at no cost to you. Learn more at erasing.org/community programs. Want to support the well-being and health of children and families this year? $10 makes a big difference. Pledge to give just $10 a month. Text ERASE to 71777. That's ERASE. Text it to 71777 to uplift a child today.